Okay, hello everybody, this is the Techy Vlogger here with you about a review for the Meterteck Professional Multimeter. As you can see, it comes with a 9-volt battery, 2 of these needle things, and your actual thing, your actual port, basically. And it goes on Amazon for $14.98. The nice people at Meterteck sent this to me for a fair and nice review. So let's go ahead and open this up. There's also a 1-year guarantee with 2 test lights, which are this 1 and 2. And you get your physical Meterteck brick thing nicely wrapped up in plastic. Just strange how they couldn't just, maybe it's because of the sharp needles there. But yeah, they wrapped this guy pretty well into the plastic. And let's open this up. I don't know, probably shouldn't be doing this, but I don't really have a scissor with me. Just cut it open. And yeah, for $14.98, you're getting a pretty professional quality thing. Plastic feels a little cheap, but then again, if it works, that's all that matters. You can even measure the voltage of your battery, so does this thing come with a battery included? Let me grab a screwdriver, and we're just all gonna figure this out together, shall we? Guess you unscrew this thing right here. Oh, there is a battery. So let's go ahead and screw this back. And it's on. And let's turn it on. Press and hold. Holding. I'm holding it. Nothing seems to be happening. Oh, this thing just got stuck inside. Come on, Meterteck. Nothing's turning on. So the buttons are a little cheap feeling. Pretty sure the battery works. Let me pull out one of these guys. Where does the red and where does the black go? Does this thing come with a manual? I'm not really sure, but I'm guessing you plug this thing in here. And the black in here. It's not turning on, so let's try to unscrew this thing again, maybe? I'm not really sure how we're supposed to do this. Seems a little, I don't know. Okay, so I've been working at this for a half hour, so I've installed another battery. Nothing works. When I twist, nothing happens. There's no light up screen. Nothing's working. I'm twisting this. There's no zero either. I mean, it's cheap. This is professional quality, but it doesn't really work. So I'm sorry, but I'll have to give this a low rating. So yeah, I'm sorry, this thing doesn't really work. Sorry, this is the Techy Vlogger, and goodbye.